Hello, today is Friday, not the 7th, typo, 14th, Friday, May 14th, 2021. Math, we're going to work on exit ticket 13, more decimals, but we're going to add decimals. So we're going to change them into mixed numbers, get an answer in mixed numbers, and then turn it into a decimal. So we're going to use that strategy today. For MathWin, you're either going to continue with geometry with your teacher or do MCAS math practice. Your special is either music, art, phys ed, or digital learning. And after lunch and recess, you have your extra math practice with your teacher, depending on what they decide for you to do. For literacy, you're going to work on a digital biography unit. Pick a biography video to watch, and then you're going to answer questions about the person. You can do Cesar Chavez, Stevie Wonder, Rosa Parks, Abraham Lincoln, Helen Keller, or Serena Williams. You're going to ask yourself, what is the big deal about this person, and what did they do that was so important? So the person's name, their achievements, what's the big deal? You're going to write that. Relationships. Ask yourself, who had an impact on this person's life? Why was their relationship with that person important? So, setting. When and where did their story take place? How did the setting affect their life? Pick a biography and ask yourself, who had an didn't I just read that? I guess I skipped ahead. Biographies, the setting, where and when did their story take place? That makes more sense. Where and when I guess I jumped. Relationships, who had an impact on their life? Why was that important? What made it hard for this person to succeed? What struggles did they face? What character traits describe this person? Provide evidence, actions, thoughts, dialogue. What lesson can we learn from this person's life? And then you're going to put them all here together. You're going to copy and paste so that you have the whole thing. Actually, I was wrong. You're going to pick a different person to research and fill in the table for them. Charlotte Cooper, who's a tennis player, Francisco de Goya, artist, Lionel Messi, soccer player, Albert Pujols, baseball player, George Washington, president, Carlos Santana, rock musician. So that is your literacy today. Science that's going to take you a long time, and so is science, so that we don't have writing today. So we're going to read in our student reader. There's a rocks visual to see how different minerals are formed, feldspar, quartz, and calcite, and through heat, pressure, and time, they can turn into marble or granite. Earth's layers video, the inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust, and the plate tectonics, where they are. And that actually causes a lot of our earthquakes and tsunamis. Here's the plate motion. You can have convergent, where they push together, divergent, where they pull apart, or transform, where they slide past each other. And it tells you what is created by those different plate movements. Landform patterns. We have the ring of fire. And here is, if you look at the tectonic plate, you can see where all the mountains are that are caused from that plate movement. And then we have a plate boundaries activity. Why is the oceanic crust easily broken through? So you're going to read this, and it'll give you the answers to those questions. Okay, so you have to read and then answer. Read and then answer. Read and then answer. Read and then answer. Read and answer. And then leave the types of boundaries alone. Drag the correct diagram beneath the type of boundary, and drag the correct result. So that's your plate boundaries digital activity. And then we have an Oreo tectonics experiment. So You can choose a cookie, and you can do divergent, convergent, or transform. Okay, what do you notice about the cookie's edges? So that's an activity that we can do. And that is a lot of science for a Friday. But you will learn so much, and you're really going to enjoy this. So we hope you had a wonderful week, and we hope you have a wonderful weekend. And we'll see you next week.